Did you know that the ghost bird, also known as the whip-poor-will, possesses a call so haunting that it can echo through the night, leaving listeners in a trance? Its name derives from the distinct sound it makes, resembling a forlorn whisper that travels far and wide, often evoking an unsettling yet entrancing atmosphere. This bird, a master of camouflage, blends seamlessly into its surroundings, making sightings rare and its call even more ethereal. The mystical sound reverberates in folklore, where it is often associated with the spirits of the departed. Encountering this call at night can provoke deep emotions, connecting us to nature's mysteries and unseen worlds.